Aujourd'hui, we'll learn how to make one of my favorite transitions, the ground-to-ground transition, Atlanta transition, aka the flipping effect with our Osmo Pocket.
Damn.
Bonjour my fellow high-tech fans and welcome back to my channel. I know, I'm sorry, I haven't been online lately, but it's summer and I needed a rest. I hope you're all doing fantastic. I have missed you. So in this video you'll learn step by step and with detail how to make a ground-to-ground transition with the Osmo Pocket. It's going to be easy peasy after watching this video. And if we don't know each other yet, Enchantée, my name is Celine, I'm a TV journalist and my YouTube channel is all about high-tech. It's small and lightweight and yet it can stabilize footage like a pro. I'm talking about the Osmo Pocket. The good thing is that you can attach it to your smartphone, control the camera and roll, tilt and pan remotely. These are the three magic words that will help you make cinematic shots. So before going into the details, let's talk about the accessories we need. A boom pole or a monopod, the longer the better. Mine isn't that long, but it will do the trick. A long cable to connect our cell phone to the Osmo Pocket. It's not mandatory, but it's better if you want to have a look at your frame. Now, let's practice. We're going to make an arc. For this, we need to lock the camera gimbal on FPV mode. Now, which frame will we use? 24 frames per second, 30, 60 or 120? Each of these are available on the DJI Osmo Pocket with 24, 30 and 60 frames per second available in 4K. While the slow motion setting of 120 frames per second is available up to 1080p and will crop in on the sensor. Let's try the 120 frames per second in 1080p because when editing we're going to slow down part of the arc footage and it needs to be smooth. Now let's find a nice spot where we can use our long monopod. The end of the boom pole needs to be stable and fixed at one point. From that point, you start from one end to the other. If you're still here and enjoy this video, please do me a favor and hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so we can see each other more. Did you know that some are calling this transition the Atlanta transition effect because of a TV show called Atlanta? They make a sick effect where the camera is moving from one side to the other side of the ground and in the same time there's someone in the middle of the frame that also kind of moves with the camera. Personally, I really enjoy this transition. If you do too, show me your remarkable effect on Facebook and Instagram. I will also put the link in the description down en dessous below. Last advice when editing, even though you made several attented transition shots, s'il vous plaît, please don't overdo it. Less is more in this transition, otherwise it gives you la migraine and you don't want your spectator to end up with a headache. Et les amis, if you haven't done it yet, hit the pouce bleu just down below and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, reviews and fun. I will see you very soon. Salut!